How to read and understand bank terms and conditions before opening an account. Firstly, look for the fee schedule. Banks hide the most important info in the fee schedule. This is often separated as a PDF. This is the most important part, more than the long terms and condition document. Here you need to check for these fees: monthly service fee, minimum balance requirement, overdraft and NSF fees, ATM banks, international fees, wire transfer fees, early account closure fees, and so on. Along with that, understand the account requirements. Every US bank account has rules such as for checking accounts, minimum deposit to open, minimum balance needed, direct deposit method, and so on. These rules really decide if you must pay a monthly fee or not. Thirdly, check the overdraft policy. This part tells you how dangerous the account is. Find how much the bank charges per overdraft, daily maximum overdraft fees, whether overdraft is automatic or whether you can OPT out. So that's all for today. Thank you.